In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a flight on trip.com. Let's walk through the full process from search to checkout so you can book with confidence. Start by opening trip.com in your browser. On the homepage, head to the flights section. Before you enter anything, decide the trip type that suits you best: round trip, one way, or multi-city. There's also a non-stop toggle if you only want flights without connections. For this demo, we'll choose round trip. Now set your route. Click the From field and pick your departure city, then the To field for your destination. As an example, select Los Angeles as the origin and Sydney as the destination. The site will suggest airports as you type, so choose the correct one for your plans. Next, choose your travel dates. First select the outbound date, then your return date. If your schedule is flexible, take a moment to glance at nearby dates. Sometimes a day earlier or later can save money. Then choose your cabin class under the flight type options. Economy is a solid default if you want the best value. Finally, set how many people are traveling, including adults and any children or infants, so prices and availability are accurate. Click Search to see results. On the results page, compare options by departure time, total travel time, number of stops, and price. You can quickly spot deals and convenient schedules here. If you prefer a particular airline or want only non-stop flights, use the filters to refine what you see. When you find an itinerary that fits your needs and budget, click Select and then continue to move forward. You'll arrive on the Who's Traveling page. Enter each traveler's personal details exactly as they appear on their passport or government ID to avoid check-in issues. Add contact information so Trip.com and the airline can send updates about your flight. Review any optional extras that may appear, such as seats or baggage, and only add what you need. Before you pay, look for available promo codes. Trip.com often features free codes or limited time offers. Claim or apply the code at this stage, and confirm that the discount appears in your total. When everything looks correct, click Next to proceed to payment. Review your itinerary, fare rules, and final price, then choose your payment method and complete checkout. After payment, keep an eye on your email for your confirmation and booking reference. That's it, you've successfully booked a flight on Trip.com.